I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Delta on PC. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Delta executor website. It's crucial to verify the site's authenticity to protect your system. Once there, locate the download section for the latest PC version. This initial step is vital for a secure and successful installation, ensuring you acquire the legitimate software. After downloading the setup file, temporarily disable your antivirus program. This is a common step for many executors, as they can sometimes be mistakenly identified as threats. Then, launch the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, which usually involve accepting terms and choosing an installation directory. The entire process should take only a few minutes, preparing your system for Delta's functionality. Once installed, launch the Delta application. Next, open Roblox and join any game you wish to play. Delta is designed to automatically detect the active Roblox game window. You'll then see an interface where you can paste your scripts. Simply copy your desired script, paste it into the executor's text area, and click the Execute button to activate its functions within the game. For your safety, remember to re-enable your antivirus software right after installation. Always exercise extreme caution when using scripts from unknown sources. Malicious code can compromise your account or system. Furthermore, regularly check the official Delta website for updates. Staying current ensures optimal performance, compatibility with Roblox, and the latest security patches, providing a safer and more stable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.